Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Not a Honda video or a Subaru video. You remember my guy Harvey with the Fiesta ST? Filming me right now. And we're doing the first mod to his Fiesta ST, which is a AirTec cold air intake. So it should make a nice little bit of noise, open cone. So yeah, let's just get on with it, get the old one out. So I don't really work on Fords, but first thing I'm going to do is get the intake hose off. Oh, that's an awkward one. Right, so we've got this Jubilee up here and this one undone, so we're just going to take the intake hose off from there and from there. Get that off because we've got a nice, fresh white one to go on. So now that clears us up for the airbox, so we want to get our MAF out, which is 2 star bits. Right, so we've undone the MAF now. Don't know what to do with that screw, it's just got in there. So we just want to get our sensor off, and you pull that bit out. Then now we've only got the airbox to come out now, which I don't know how it goes in, but I know there's a star box. Yeah, I don't know if I need to take a look. Right, so yeah, just undo this, unclip that from there. The only mounting bracket is there, into there. Then it literally just pulls out. So yeah, you take the top off, take the filter out. And that's your Fiesta ST's air intake out. Hello! Right, this is number 2 of the Fiesta, because it's now lunchtime at college. So basically, we've got the heat shield, which just goes into there. Goes into that one. 2 bolts, there and there, heat shield's done. And the rest is pretty easy. Silicone hose, boom, done. So with the heat shield, we've got that 1 pop screw in there. So now we've got 2 big bolts and 4 washers. So it's just washer nut through there. Then you've got to go underneath, which is an actual arsehole. Wow, this is awkward. That was lucky. Boy, that's tight. Ain't going nowhere. Then you just want to crack your MAF sensor in. I need to get the other bit in. Bit of a cunt.
Is that in?
Mm-hmm. Now we're at the final stage of the AirTec, which is actually putting the filter on, but we need to crack the headlight off quick just to be able to get the room for the filter. So I'm 90% sure that for the headlight it's pretty much just these 2 bolts, and then we can just like do what we want with it. So there's one, and the other one's up here. Nice and loose, that one. And then just disconnect the connector there. Actually, there's a pop clip there. So we're at one of the final stages now. We're just getting the cone filter onto the intake pipe. We've got the light out, so we're just gonna tighten this up now and then try and find a home for it so we can get the light back on before we've got to go back to college and do some work.
And it's just started raining again.
And I want to vape. We've sacked off the silicone hose for now because it's just too tight. We need to cut a bit off of it, I think, because the filter and everything is just too big. So we've gone back to the standard hose And we've got about an inch or so gap there between that and the headlight, and it all fits quite snug with that. So, yeah, that's that. Just 1, 2, 3 Jubilees, MAF sensor, and then your little breather hose on there. So, do you want to start it up, boy? Turbo noises.
About time.
Do you want me to give it a rev? You hold that.
Don't go too much.
What was you going up to?
Not a lot.
Like 3, 2? Alright, so that is only the first of many more of Harvey's mods to his Mark 7. Was it Mark? Is it Mark 7? Yeah, Fiesta ST. So say bye, Harv.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week. See you later.